everybody. We're going to make slime for the very first time. Welcome to the Superstar Sisters show. My name's Jasmine.
And my name's Hannah Wise.
So let's get on with it. First thing we need to do with slime is make sure we have the right ingredients. We have them here. Borax, a jug for water, lots of glitter, glitter glue, and glue.
Plus we have bowls and wooden spoons.
Let's go! First step is to add the glue.
Yep. You might have to open the glue first.
Oh yeah. It's already open.
So pour it into the jug.
Pour it. This one?
Yep.
Wait, how much?
Lots.
We've put the glue into the measuring cup and did a half cup. Now we need to pour it in.
How much on each one? How much on each one, Mummy?
Half a cup of glue.
On both of ours?
We might need to use a spoon, just like scrape it all out. So let's go.
Do we both need half a cup?
You can do the water, Hannah.
Jazz, do we both need half a cup?
Maybe you can start with the water.
How will it work though? We need some water.
Now we need half a cup of water. So the ratio is 1:1.
I'll do that one.
Okay.
Now I'm putting in the water.
Good job, Hannah. Done?
Yep.
Here's stirring. I think we should do it one at a time, Hannah.
No. It's fine.
You go first. And stop. I go.
Goopy goo. Let's put in.
Hey, we're making gloopy glue. Because in Mr. Maker, he needs gloopy glue, so he puts water in a jug and then pours it into a big bowl and then puts glue on it and stirs and it makes gloopy glue. Oh!
We're doing gloopy glue first.
Hannah. Next step is in a separate container, we pour a warm
Half a cup.
half a cup of water. And then we add 4 teaspoons into the water of borax. 1,
My one. I will do it.
2, my go.
Yeah, I do.
3, 4.
Now we mix this all together. I'm going to mix it only me this time.
We love stirring, don't we, Hannah?
Yeah.
I keep on stirring the gloopy glue. And
It's not gloopy glue, it's actually gloopy glue.
yeah, look.
It's not gloopy glue, it's actually called gloopy glue.
Hannah!
She likes playing jokes like that. Hey!
Next step is the fun part. Decorating. You can use any glue you like, but make sure it's glitter glue and glitter.
I'm going to do this one and gold. I'm going to wait for you.
Today we're choosing green and gold. Is that enough?
You can never have enough glitter. That'll do. Hannah's turn.
Now you can put the glitter glue.
No, I want this.
No, Hannah, remember.
Oh, after big one.
Do you want me to do it?
No.
No.
Oh.
Squeeze.
I will do it.
Okay.
Whoop. Whoop. It's
Almost time to stir. Do you want me to
Okay,
help Hannah?
start stirring.
It's hot. I want to do
Hannah, you know there's not much.
what?
We need more, right, Mummy?
Do we?
Yeah. Or I have
Maybe
an
you could
idea.
each have a turn putting the other one in.
Now we're going to swap because superstar sisters share and care.
Anyway, I wanted to do this colour. So you're first. Pardon.
Okay, I think that's all I
This
can
is
get
a
out.
funny video.
Hannah. Ouch. Take that glitter. Take that glitter.
Would this be enough?
You never have enough glitter. Make the whole jug cold.
Okay, stirring time.
Time.
I need to stir this
Now
well.
pour.
Now, Hannah, I need you to slow this in as slowly as you can, because that's the activator. Now go. Slowly. Like that.
Thanks for helping.
Keep stirring, Jazz.
I know.
Can I do the rest? It looks like.
Starting to look good. Keep stirring.
Now we have to stir and stir and stir and stir. Can I stir as well? I can only do the stirring if you want.
No, you don't want to. Oh! Look at that slime. This is gonna be fun to play with. Ah!
It only looks like green right now.
Now it's all mixed together. Get it on the table and start kneading. That's one too.
Remember me go first, please.
No.
Wait.
Break it in half.
Break it in half. Half.
Do it. You have a little bit more.
Here, Jazz.
Thanks.
A bit more slime. Then you have to give me a bit more.
Looks like this is gonna be farting slime because it farted.
Hey guys, this is fun.
Go on to me now. Hannah.
Oh, did you hear that part?
Honey, just Oh, did you hear that? If you like this, then and you want to watch some more, then go down below, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you left a comment. For our first time, it's pretty good. We give it a 9 out of 10. But next time, way more glitter.
Yeah.